Hello, this is my Microsoft Access Beyond the Classroom um, assignment for Chapter 3. We had to work with a hypothetical database for a local credit union, working with a series of tables that were included and that had, the following fields of the customers and the specific branches, the managers for the branches, and the start date for the managers at each branch. What took place for each query? First, we had to determine. Well, these are in alphabetical order, but we had to determine the balances by the city, the balances that were filtered out by the specific cities, and then we had to do a branch query that was to select the manager and the start date, which eventually became what the longevity query, which was to determine the number of years of the company with each manager. In the design view, what I had to do was create a new field and build use the expression builder to determine this is the formula I created. I'm sure there are more efficient ways to do this. I would love to hear that actually in your comments. Which was to subtract the current date from the start date and divide it by 365.25, which accounts for the leap year. And then that would create an expression. And then using the property sheet was to assign the format to be fixed and then break it down to years with the company. And then doing that, running the query, that resulted in this. This is clearly something that is wrong in the expression builder, and I wasn't able to navigate that, but I was able to learn using the expression builder to build a query, and I was able to use it for the other ones that I did. For example, for the customer balances, we had to build a query and make the total sum, which was correct for the different balances of all the customers, and that added up to the right amount. So all in all, this was a good exercise in terms of seeing how the various tables can, as they're linked, can be used to make decisions by asking specific questions and getting specific results from the database.